Alright, it's an M3 E46. Key in, position 1, position 2. Note the flickering. Radio not operational. Lights not operational. Or not lights, window switches. Lights don't seem to work either, for what it's worth.